Build interactive bots for your business using the Bot Manager. Start by navigating to your dashboard. Choose your platform, Facebook or Instagram, depending on your needs. On the left sidebar, click on the Bot Manager option. Instantly, you'll be redirected to the Bot Manager page, which is organized into two sections, the Dock menu and the Editor. The Dock menu houses all the available components, ready to drag and drop into the Editor, where you'll configure and connect them. To incorporate text elements, simply drag the text component to the editor. Double-click it to open the Configure Text Message sidebar. Here, you can enter your reply message, including user-specific details like first or last names. Enable typing effects and set reply delays to enhance realism. Click Done to save your settings and connect to the StartBot Flow component. Easily enhance interaction with button components. Drag them from existing component outputs, or find them automatically linked to cards and carousels. Customize by selecting button types and adding relevant texts. For showcasing multiple items, use the Carousel component. Double-click for customization options, like enabling typing displays. Configure each item by adding images, links, titles, and subtitles. Leverage the e-commerce component to connect users with products. Choose a store from the preset options, select products to feature, and customize the Buy Now button text. Connect components to finalize your bot's design. After configuring, click Save or press Ctrl+S. And there you have it, a fully functional bot ready to engage with users, complete with text, media, and interactive elements. Incorporating media components require a simple upload process. Add them to your bot by dragging to the editor and linking them with other components. For dynamic content, use the card component. Happy bot building!